Boat crew, master of reality. Get back here, Bobby. Nick, friend of Mike's. Bobby, sight master. Go ahead and load. Wait a minute. Talk to me about the cannon.
First, you implement the cannon.
No, what is it? Size?
The cannon is a 18-inch bore cannon, 3 pieces, machine
18-inch bore.
18 inches long, 3/4 inch round bore. Just put a little bit of fuse at the bottom.
Who made it?
Uncle Tom.
How many grains are you adding there?
Just enough that fits in that green tube.
See, you have no idea.
It's
What is that?
This is some Downy paper towel.
Is it important to be downy?
No. Pack it in there pretty good.
Right?
Like fuse.
Wait. How much fuse did you add?
It's about a 3.5 inch piece.
Light it.
Fire in the hole!
Fire in the hole!
I am so going to need one of those on the boat on a swivel mount.